In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export Smartsheet to Excel, step by step. This is perfect if you want to share your data with teammates, create backups, run advanced calculations, or simply work offline in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or have been using it for a while, this process is quick and easy once you know where to click. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to smartsheet.com. Log in using your Smartsheet account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Smartsheet workspace with all of your sheets listed. From here, open the specific sheet that you want to export to Excel by clicking directly on its name. Make sure the sheet is fully loaded and that you're viewing the correct data, because whatever is in this sheet is what will be exported. Next, look toward the top left area of the Smartsheet interface and click on the File option. This will open a drop-down menu with several different actions you can take on your sheet. In this menu, hover over or click on Export. When you do this, another set of options will appear, showing the different formats you can export your sheet into. From the export options, click on Export to Microsoft Excel. Smartsheet will now begin preparing your file. Depending on the size of your sheet and the amount of data inside it, this may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, your browser will automatically download the Excel file to your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. Open the Excel file to confirm that your data has been exported correctly. You'll notice that your rows, columns, and most formatting carry over into Excel, making it easy to continue working with the data right away. At this point, you can edit the file, share it with others, or upload it to another platform as needed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Smartsheet to Excel in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.